Number 10. Leader Maersk is a container ship registered and sailing under the flag of Denmark. Her gross tonnage is 50,688 and deadweight is 63,200. Leader Maersk was built in 2001 by Odense Steel Shipyard. Leader Maersk length overall, lower, is 266.3 meters, beam is 37.4 meters and maximum draft is 21.35 meters. Her container capacity is 4,045 TEU. The ship is operated by Maersk Line A.S. Number 9. Tianjin is a container ship registered and sailing under the flag of Liberia. Her gross tonnage is 114,044 and deadweight is 116,440. Tianjin was built in 2010 by Hyundai Samho Heavy Industries. Tianjin length overall, lower, is 349 meters, beam is 45.6 meters and maximum draft is 15 meters. Her container capacity is 10,062 TEU. The ship is operated by NSC Shipping GmbH and CIE Kilogram. Number 8. MSC Christina is a container ship registered and sailing under the flag of Liberia. Her gross tonnage is 141,635 and deadweight is 148,775. MSC Christina was built in 2011 by Hyundai Heavy Industries. MSC Christina length overall, lower, is 366.36 meters, beam is 48.2 meters and maximum draft is 16 meters. Her container capacity is 13,100 TEU. The ship is Number 7. CMA-CGM Bougainville is a container ship registered and sailing under the flag of France. Her gross tonnage is 175,688 and deadweight is 186,528. CMA-CGM Bougainville was built in 2015 by Samsung Shipbuilding and Heavy Industries. CMA-CGM Bougainville length overall, lower, is 398 meters, beam is 54 meters and maximum draft is 16 meters. Her container capacity is 16,000 TEU. The ship is operated by CMA-CGM SA, the French line. Number 6. Maersk MC Kinney Moller is a container ship registered and sailing under the flag of Denmark. Her gross tonnage is 194,849 and deadweight is 194,153. Maersk MC Kinney Moller was built in 2013 by Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering. Maersk MC Kinney Moller length overall, lower, is 399 meters, beam is 59 meters and maximum draft is 30.3 meters. Her container capacity is 18,270 TEU. The ship is operated by Maersk Line A.S.
Number 5.
COSCO Shipping Taurus is a container ship registered and sailing under the flag of Hong Kong. Her gross tonnage is 194,864 and deadweight is 201,868. COSCO Shipping Taurus was built in 2018 by Waigao Kiao Shipbuilding. COSCO Shipping Taurus length overall, lower, is 399.82 meters, beam is 58.72 meters and maximum draft is 16 meters. Her container capacity is 20,119 TE.
Number 4.
Al Neferd is a container ship registered and sailing under the flag of Malta. Her gross tonnage is 195,636 and deadweight is 199,744. Al Neferd was built in 2015 by Hyundai Heavy Industries. Al Neferd length overall, lower, is 400 meters, beam is 58.6 meters and maximum draft is 16.024 meters. Her container capacity is 18,800 TEU. The ship is operated by United Arab Shipping Co. Limited.
Number 3.
Mole Triumph is a container ship registered and sailing under the flag of Marshall Islands. Her gross tonnage is 210,678 and deadweight is 196,878. Mole Triumph was built in 2017 by Samsung Shipbuilding and Heavy Industries. Mole Triumph length overall, lower, is 400 meters, beam is 58.8 meters and maximum draft is 32.8 meters. Her container capacity is 20,170 TEU. The ship is operated by Mitsuyo SK Lines Limited.
Number 2.
CMA-CGM Antoine de Saint-Exupéry is a container ship registered and sailing under the flag of France. Her gross tonnage is 217,673 and deadweight is 202,684. CMA-CGM Antoine de Saint-Exupéry was built in 2018 by Hanjin Subic Shipyard. CMA-CGM Antoine de Saint-Exupéry length overall, lower, is 400 meters, beam is 59 meters and maximum draft is 0 meters. Her container capacity is 20,776 TEU. The ship is operated by CMA-CGM SA, the French line.
Number 1.
CMA-CGM Jean Mermoz is a container ship registered and sailing under the flag of Malta. Her gross tonnage is 199,000 and deadweight is 199,855. CMAC GMG Mermoz was built in 2018 by Hanjin Subic Shipyard. CMAC GMG Mermoz length overall, lower, is 400 meters, beam is 59 meters and maximum draft is 16 meters. Her container capacity is 20,600 TEU. The ship is operated by CMAC GMSA, the French line.